Good afternoon. Welcome to Advisory Live, powered by Nasdaq IR Insight. I'm your host, Will Briganti, and joining me are two excellent analysts from Nasdaq Advisory Services. To my right is Jason Peters. Jason is a financials analyst, and to my left is Michael Spector from our REITs group. Gentlemen, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us, Will.
All right, this is great. Our first two-guest Advisory Live. So, Jason, let me start with you. How have the broader indices performed today?
Lately, quite well, Will. Despite the emergence of some volatility beginning in August, we've witnessed a tremendous comeback in terms of the S&P and Dow, which today posted new fresh highs today. Looking at when the volatility began, we basically had a pullback around 3%, which not a large correction, but that might have been just enough to to get traders to step back into the tape. So the bull market keeps on rolling.
All right, Jason, thank you for that insight. Michael, let's go over to you. Let's take a look at REITs. Which sectors have had the most notable performance lately?
So if we learned anything from the previous two segments that we did on real estate, we have to look at each individual property sector, and there's actually a large performance gap. So we have three property sectors: single-family residential, data centers, and infrastructure REITs that are all returned over 30% on a total return basis. And you look on the other side of the coin, we have malls, strip centers, and freestanding retail, which are down double digits this year. So big performance gap between property sectors.
All right, and Jason, back over to you. Are there technical levels that you look at when you're looking at the RMZ?
Sure. So when tracking the RMZ, the RMZ is currently trading above all major technical levels, but one area of significant resistance that we have to continue to monitor is the 1190 level. We've faced significant headwinds around this level, dating back to the late February highs.
Okay.
So we break above that, and then could potentially begin breaking out there.
Jason, I appreciate that insight. Thank you so much.
As well.
Now, Michael, final thoughts.
Okay.
REITs.
So if I was an investor, what I would be looking at with all the fallout from Irma and Harvey, I would really be looking at property owners that are heavily concentrated in Florida and Texas, specifically the storage owners, which actually there were some headwinds earlier to start the year. They were beating on top line growth expectations for 2014, 2015. So there was a pullback. It's almost a double-edged sword with their success for 2016. There was a bit of pullback in 2016, 2017. They've actually turned positive on the year because the thought is there's going to be greater demand from all displacement surrounding both of the hurricanes. So I would be looking there.
All right, we'll leave it there. Michael, Jason, thank you so much for joining Advisory Live.
Thanks, Will.
All right, thanks to all of our viewers for tuning in. You can catch us every Tuesday and Thursday right here on Twitter at NASDAQ. Be sure to visit our website. That's business.nasdaq.com. Follow the Advisory Services team on @MyCorporate Solutions. My Corp Solutions. We'll see you next Tuesday. Thank you.